Welcome to Power Rangers Theater. This is my friend. Hey, what's that? Sounds like a baby. Anyway, introducing the Yellow Ranger. Hello.
Hello.
So, tell us about yourself, Yellow Ranger. Oh, wait, there's some bad guys. Let's go. Look, it's a baby monster. He's the cause. Let's go get him.
Okay. Watch introducing to Power Rangers speaking. Hello, this is my little friend. And bye-bye.
Oh, don't eat us. Make noises. Don't chew on us, baby. Oh, you're making us punch each other. Make noises. Oh. Make noises. Oh. No, don't chew on me, baby.
Let's get them. To my friend, Little Power Ranger. Hello, tell us about yourself.
Oh, yes, I am the Yellow Power Ranger. I had a chemical accident. I used to be blue and green.
Oh.
Hey, who's this?
Oh.
Yes, it is me, Evil Chicken Lord. I'm gonna turn you evil.
Now we are evil.
That's right. And now, I want you to go steal a yellow car. Good luck.
What?
Back to the Chicken Lord.
Back to the Chicken Lord.
Big Chicken Lord will like it?
Chicken Little Yorker?
Let's take it to him.
You like it?
Yes, I like it very much. Good job. Oh no, it's the evil baby. Get him. Oh, he's eating me. Oh.